The Hyundai Kona with its outstanding battery electric drivetrain wowed the awards judges last year when it debuted, and they are equally impressed this year, making it a return winner. Thrilling performance, especially in power mode, notes Judge Drew Winter of the CUV's 150 kilowatt motor. The vehicle makes 290 pound-feet of torque, which allows us to chirp the tires during heavy-footed testing, not once or twice, but 3 times during the same run, a few seconds apart. It was as if the Kona was working through gears on a transmission, Judge Tom Murphy writes, even though the EV uses a single-speed transmission. The electric motor is made to one of the longest-range lithium-ion batteries available, a 64 kilowatt-hour pack estimated to achieve 258 miles of range. But many of our judges saw higher charges than that, up to 285 miles, even in cold November. Judge Winter traveled 51 miles but only used 39 miles of range thanks to his use of maximum regen and a heated seat rather than the HVAC system. With the motor's instant torque and the battery pack's long range and robustness, the Kona's propulsion system is a real standout.